Hey all you Keeping It Realers in Thailand, Joe Blair here of Keeping It Real in Thailand. At the end of Keeping It Real in Thailand, on the beautiful tropical island of Koh Samui, in the little town of Lamai, just on the outskirts of it. Just a quick show you. They've torn down this whole section here. You can look through some of the old videos I have in my library there. You can see that this was a whole bunch of shops, and they had a restaurant on the end, and they're tearing it all down and gonna put up something new. So again, as I've been saying earlier in Chaweng, everything's in flux. So it's kind of like part two of Friday night going around, seeing which town is what has happened, but nothing's really happened. It's kind of the slow season now, and as you can see, Lamai actually might fare a little bit better. We'll see. And as I asked, and for all you new viewers, can you please subscribe? Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and do please leave comments down below. It'll be really, really, really awesome if you did that. Yeah. Okay, so let's go check out Lamai. Jeez, it smelled like they broke the perfume bottle. Woo. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Oh, a little quiet down here. Hey girls, how you doing? There you go. The girls are a little quiet here. Massage girls. And as expected, a little busy in here because it's all cheap. A little band down at the end. Very, very cheap in there, so it gets the bulk of the business down this end, that's for sure. It's a bit lively. And we come up, this Whedon is, man, they've got so many of them all over. Chaweng was just filled with them. See, it's pretty packed though. Standing room only in there. I love that dog. Hey, they were just in Chaweng. The store I was sitting at, they went in the store and they came out. And here they are in Lamai. Oh. Wasn't happening for them in Chaweng. More cannabis. It's like a tax office. And Lamai cocktails always doing okay, you know. Not so bad. I like that place. It's pretty funky. Dr. Donair. I've got to try him out sometime. I'm not really into the Donairs. Maybe worth a try once. Greenland, oh, look there. place out sometime. Do you like the movies? Pizzeria Napoli, they've been here for a long, long, long time. Oh, close to 20 years, I bet. Sexy chick. Let's go do a boo around sexy chick, so. Gone are the days I used to hang out in those places. Not for a long time. Not a tourist anymore, so doesn't interest me particularly. It certainly will interest you. 5 baht for the toilet, and they got the toilet police there. Two young guys, the kids. You go in there. How about? How about Leo? There you go. Get your feet clean. Looks like the staff are getting their feet clean. It's a good place to go. Original Thai music. I was in there a couple weeks ago. I had a good time. Well, it's a little after 9. It should be some bands kicking out here. Don't see anything though. See, everyone's kicking back because it's wow. It's all quiet. This is all completely shut. Everyone's kicking back because it's quiet season. It's the low season, low baby. They're not doing too bad. I've seen worse. I've seen worse during peak season, so they're not doing too bad, these guys. People having fun. Good group over there. That 7-Eleven's upgrade. Look, they got chairs outside. You can buy beer and sit outside now in style. I love how they rechanged the Lamai Nightlife Sea Market. It's done a good job, actually. Really nice and bright. Not so busy. Kelly, some people in Kelly. Of course, the beautiful, awesome, cozy corner. Well, I'll take a turn down here, see what's going on down here. But looks like nothing really going on down here. Oh, goodness. Howdy, Cup. Yo. Nada. afford this. Yeah, pretty quiet, man. Speed. There's no one playing speed tonight? What? Friday night? Now that is really quiet. Wow. The girls really want people to come in. Holy smoke, man. It is quiet. Go down the old dog shit alley to see what's going on down there. I don't think much is really happening, but never know. This has quite a history, this street. When it used to be a dirt road, just a dirt road, and dogs used to poop in it, hence the name Dog Shit Alley. So nowadays it's all paved. Welcome.
My friend, Matahari.
Hey, Mata, I can smell you. I can smell the perfume.
Yeah, I have Matahari.
This is the busiest man in all of Lamai.
I have Matahari, very nice.
Oh no, I still have your bottle from 5 years ago.
Yes, dengue.
I know.
New collection, my friend.
I think this cured me from dengue.
Dengue is...
No, don't spray me. Good Lord, don't freaking spray me with that. Oh my God.
Everybody know you danger,
man. I know. Okay. All right, bro. We'll see you. Good luck on business tonight. I know it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. All right. Good Lord, that was a close call. He sprayed me with that. Oh, I would have been like, oh, just perfumized all night long. Oh man. Alright, well, only one thing to do is go, I just did the whole booth through Lamai for you all. Let's go say hi to, see if he's has some time. Canadian friend Rob. I can't believe there's no band playing. Speed bars, wow. Got it. Alright. Yeah, we were just down here, so. Go down. Some live music there. Wow, it's pretty darn quiet, that's for sure. Well, looks like Rob's got a few people here. And what's he got here? What's your wrap?
You want to test your wig?
Maybe not.
What up, brother?
What's going on here? What's going on?
Pool League's supposed to be last night.
All you people out there watching, Rob's going to be throwing a huge Rocky Horror Picture Show. Rocky Horror Picture Show on Halloween. Yep, on Halloween night.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Tuesday.
Right here at the R&R bar. So be here or be square, man.
I got all the props.
Oh yeah. And you can check out the old video I did last year of so you get an idea.
You captured it all.
I'll leave a link down below. So.
Nice.
Are you sitting with these guys or what are you doing?
I'm sitting up there just because we're playing the pool league, so I have to kind of watch what's going on there.
Okay. So you're kind of busy, huh?
But you can sit up there with me, or you can sit with these guys, whatever you want to
I'll sit up there with you. I'll have one beer, yeah. Okay.
Okay, very
All
good.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you have it. It's that's Lamai for you tonight. I'm just going to go in here and have a drink with my friend Rob. And once again, he's going to have a party here on Halloween, the Rocky Horror, and I'll be playing Rocky. You know, the blonde guy. I played him last year, so he likes me playing him, so got a wig and everything, so I'll be doing that. So you can check that video out when the next day after that. All right, so keeping it real in Thailand. Again, once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button and leave some comments. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye. This cured me from dengue. No, don't spray me. Good Lord, don't freaking spray me with that. Oh my God.
Everybody know you danger,
Oh,
man.
I know. Okay. All right, bro, we'll see you. Good luck on business tonight. I know it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, all right.